Did you know that octopuses have not one, not two, but three hearts? Yes, you heard that right. These fascinating creatures are full of surprises, and today, we're going to dive deep into one of their most interesting biological features, their three hearts. But it gets even crazier. When an octopus swims, one of its hearts actually stops working. Intrigue? Let's explore how and why this happens, and what it tells us about these incredible animals. First, let's break it down. An octopus has three hearts, and each one plays a unique role in keeping this amazing creature alive. Two of the hearts are called branchial hearts. These hearts are responsible for pumping blood to the octopus's gills, where it picks up oxygen. Just like the gills of a fish, the gills of an octopus extract oxygen from the water, so that it can be delivered to the rest of its body. The octopus needs these two branchial hearts to ensure that its gills are always supplied with fresh oxygen-rich blood. Now, the third heart is known as the systemic heart, and this one is in charge of pumping blood to the rest of the body. It's the heart that delivers oxygen to the octopus's organs, muscles, and tissues, enabling the octopus to perform all the functions it needs to survive. So why does the octopus need three hearts? It all comes down to efficiency. Octopuses live in environments where the oxygen levels in the water can vary significantly. By having two branchial hearts, the octopus can pump blood efficiently to its gills, ensuring that it can extract as much oxygen as possible, even in low oxygen environments. Then, the systemic heart takes care of delivering that oxygen throughout the body. This division of labor allows the octopus to survive in conditions where other animals might struggle. But here's where things get even more interesting. When an octopus swims, the systemic heart, the one that pumps blood to the body, actually stops working. That's right, when the octopus is swimming, it's doing so without the use of one of its hearts. This means that while it's in motion, its organs and muscles aren't getting as much oxygen. So, how is this possible? Well, the answer lies in the octopus's unique way of moving. When an octopus is swimming, it's usually trying to escape from predators or moving quickly from one place to another. During these short bursts of swimming, the octopus doesn't need to worry as much about oxygen delivery to its organs because it's relying on its muscles and reflexes to get away. The energy it needs for this movement comes from anaerobic processes, which don't require oxygen in the same way as aerobic processes do. Essentially, the octopus can afford to temporarily cut off the blood supply to its body while it's swimming because it's relying on energy reserves that don't need oxygen. This is why you'll often see octopuses swimming in short bursts and then resting for a while. By doing this, they can allow their systemic heart to resume pumping blood to the body, delivering the oxygen they need to recover and function. It's a bit like how humans can sprint for short distances, but then need to catch their breath afterward. For the octopus, it's all about energy conservation and survival. So what happens after the octopus stops swimming? Well, as soon as the octopus returns to a state of rest, the systemic heart kicks back into action. It resumes its job of pumping oxygen-rich blood to the organs and muscles, helping the octopus recover from its burst of activity. This on and off heart function allows the octopus to balance its need for oxygen with its need to move quickly when necessary. Now that we've covered how the octopus's hearts work, let's talk a bit more about the octopus itself. Octopuses are part of a group of animals known as cephalopods, which also includes squid, cuttlefish, and nautiluses. Cephalopods are known for their incredible intelligence, unique anatomy, and impressive survival skills. Octopuses, in particular, are famous for their ability to solve complex puzzles, escape from tanks, and even use tools. They've been observed opening jars, building shelters out of rocks and shells, and even mimicking other animals to avoid predators. One of the reasons octopuses are so intelligent is their highly developed nervous system. In fact, 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are located not in its brain, but in its arms. This means that each arm can operate somewhat independently, allowing the octopus to multitask in ways that most animals cannot. For example, an octopus can be investigating a new object with one arm while using another arm to feel its way around its environment. This incredible level of control over its arms, combined with its problem-solving abilities, makes the octopus one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. But as smart as they are, octopuses still rely heavily on their physical abilities to survive. Their three hearts are just one example of how their anatomy is perfectly adapted to life in the ocean. Octopuses don't have bones, which allows them to squeeze into tight spaces to avoid predators. They can also change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, a skill known as camouflage. Some species of octopus can even produce ink to confuse predators and make a quick getaway. Another fascinating feature of octopuses is their blood. Unlike humans, who have iron-based blood, octopuses have copper-based blood. This copper compound, called hemocyanin, allows octopus blood to carry oxygen more efficiently in cold, low-oxygen environments like the deep ocean. This is especially important for octopuses that live in colder waters where oxygen levels are lower and they need every advantage they can get to survive. So between their 3 hearts, their copper-based blood, and their ability to stop one heart when they swim, octopuses are truly remarkable creatures. Their anatomy is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the incredible adaptations that animals can develop to thrive in challenging environments.